Okay guys, now let's understand what is the deal with our KPIs now. So I'm gonna give it a KPI 1, KPI 2, KPI 3. So we need to monitor KPIs. Either it should be healthy. We need to maintain a healthy KPI. Like it should, like if you're driving a car, you want the gas to be healthy, like not to run out in such a way. So we need a current value, the type will be number. Sorry, yeah. And here this will be target value. And then we will be having the progress. No, status. And this won't be a number, this will definitely be a formula. And I'll give the formula in a minute. Let's give some values and create our formula first. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a code pad. If drop of current value is less than or equal to, wait, for some KPIs you want the current value to be, you want the KPI to be less than or equal to a target value. For some you want the KPI to be greater than or equal to a target value, right? If it is sales, you want your sales to be greater than some $10 million, but you want your annual employee turnover to be less than 10%, less than or equal to 10%, in that manner. So what we need to do here is we need to set some boundaries. Like, let me just say, if we need to mention whether some up and down, which means some require you to grow, some require you to reduce. So I'm going to add a new column here, which will be type of KPI, and this will be select, and option would be up and down, or we can also customize them. I'm gonna keep down as blue and up as red, right? or we can say less so simply saying we need to maintain some standard. So even before I use this, let me just handle it, and then we can say whether we want to update it based on that or not. If prop of current value is less than or equal to prop of target value, then we will be having it as red. If not, everything is all right. I'm gonna copy this, go into status, current value is 12, target value is 25, current value is 25, target value is 20, current value is 35, target value is 54, red. All right, one thing we need to do right now here is to give a type, and this will be select, one will be grow, reduce, and reduce will be this, and grow will be green. I think that's a good way to say that. I want this to grow, this to reduce, and this to grow as well. And let's see what is the status. If prop of type equals row, and yeah, or else I'm gonna copy this, come here, and this should be done this way. Click done. Let's see, why did we get all red? This should be growing and it's not grown. So okay, this should be reduced and it is high. This should grow. So let me just update this current value. It is about 26. Good. 20. If it is 19, yes, and 35, it should grow. So in this way we can maintain the status, but I'm going to hide this, and also I'm going to keep it here. I don't think we need to hide the property. Yeah, the current value and the target value. This is a good way to see, because we can have the status right here, but we can make some modifications, like we can create a board view, or even a gallery view. Okay, and now the properties would be status, yeah, current value and target value. And I think it's nice, but we may need something more than that. Now we don't need target value here appropriately, because target value we would be keeping in title, because title will be having that, and this will be the current value. Status, this is nice, right? We will be having all our KPIs here, which we can keep an eye on, and that is a nice start. Let's get ahead to the next section. Thank you very much, guys.